Yeah, so the other day we was installing a washer and dryer hookup on the back side of this tub, shower tub, and we had a little mishap with the Sawzall blade. So we're going to try to make an attempt to repair these holes in this fiberglass tub shower combination unit. We was able to find this tub and tile repair kit from, I think the name is pronounced Ankita, located right here. But anyway, tub and tile repair kit for fiberglass tub showers, and yeah, we're going to give it a whirl, see if we can fix them few holes and get them blended back in, and see how we do at our at-home repair on this. Hopefully this turns out to be a whole lot cheaper than putting in a whole new unit here for this tub shower combination. So anyway, we'll give it a try, see how it goes. Stay tuned as we'll follow up with this home repair. Today's a new day. We got the repair done, and I'm gladly going to show it to you. It turned out to be super successful. So here we go. Right in that area was the holes that I just previously showed you. And using our home repair kit, we followed the instructions and did the application. And I'll zoom in person. I will tell you, in person you can kind of see where this is. Right here is where we did the repair, but I bet on the camera you can't tell. In person, the only thing you can tell now is that maybe it may resemble, I guess in my opinion, it resembles more of a manufacturer defect more than anything at this point. I mean, really the only people that know that there was holes in this fiberglass shower was you watching the video, me, my wife, and Chris. Chris is the fella that did the repair for us. He's a little more adverse to video than I am. So anyway, he did a fabulous job, and this turned out to be a solid win. A couple things I'm going to share with you. So there's the repair kit. We did do 2 applications. So we did 1 application, let it sit for a day or 2. I think it was like 2 days because of things we had going on around us. Come back, we did a second application. Really didn't have to add hardly any color to the repair. And then we come through and sanded it with sandpaper like that, and got that done. But the kind of the takeaway from this that we went above and beyond is we grabbed some of this kitchen and bath polish, and we used this buffing wheel. Now that buffing wheel you may use more on like car or automotive repair. Anyway, so we applied the gel, got it on smooth, and we did all 3 walls of this fiberglass tub, and really kind of buffed the whole thing and polished it out. It was really kind of amazing how much sheen kind of come back to that fiberglass wall on all 3 walls. So we did, that wall, we did that entire wall, and then of course we did back there on that wall too. And the smoothness that come back to this really kind of reminded me of being more new than used. So kind of a tip there that we learned is, maybe if you're going to sell your house or really want to do a deep clean, that polishing wheel paid dividends, and really kind of added some sheen to back to that shower that we've not seen since it was new. So anyway, that's kind of a pro tip for you, that add that buffing wheel to the instructions. I will say this, not every do-it-yourselfer home repair person could pull this job off. It did require a certain amount of patience and kind of mindfulness and thoughtfulness in getting this pulled together. The repair kit itself is a solid win. Like, I'd recommend it to anybody. And like I said before, outside of those of us watching the video, you guys watching the video, and those of us knowing about it here, you would really kind of just look at it and be like, oh, you know, something's there, or it's dirty, or maybe it's manufacturer defect or whatever. You're never ever going to ever think after this repair was done that there was a couple holes there. So that was a solid win. But yeah, don't be disappointed in yourself if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you can't pull this job off. It takes a certain amount of experience to pull that job off. So I will say that for it, and kind of give yourself a break if you do try it at home. It was a little more challenging than some other DIY projects you might find around your house. So anyway, hope this video helped you out. I'm Jason Walker, and stay tuned to the channel because we'll keep bringing you more and more tips and information. Talk to you later.